Introducing the epitome of photo perfection, the tabletop aluminum photo panel. So goodbye to dull and faded prints. Our photo panel boasts superior resistance to fade, moisture, stains and scratches, ensuring that your cherished memories stay as vibrant as the day you captured them. Elevate your memories with unparalleled image quality, color vibrancy, and depth. Our aluminum photo panel takes your photographs to a whole new dimension, creating an immersive visual experience like never before. But that's not all. Our brushed silver aluminum easels are not just sturdy, they're a stylish addition to the overall design. Perfect for tabletop displays, these easels add a touch of sophistication to your photo showcase. Whether it's your living room, your office, or your studio, let your memories take center stage. Our photo panel is not just a display, it's a statement. Frame your memories in brilliance with our tabletop aluminum photo panel, because your memories deserve the best.